Okay, so here we have the second set which says Women Premier League is a women's T20 cricket series which was held for the first time in India. The five participating teams were Mumbai Indians, Delhi Capitals, UP Warriors, Gujarat Giants, and Royal Challengers Bangalore. In this series, every team played with every other team exactly once. It was known that exactly three teams won the same number of matches. This is important. Exactly three teams win same number of matches. None of the matches ended in a draw. A win in a match gets the winning team 3 points, while a loss earns no point. If there is more than one team with the same number of points, the net run rate decides the position. A higher net run rate of a team is awarded a better position than a team with lower net run rate. Okay. So this all information is there. Along with that, we have these five questions. Let's start using this information. I have made a table already because, of course, I would have solved it before coming to you. So let's start talking about it now. It was not, first of all, there are five teams. Every team is playing against every other team exactly once. So the total number of matches is 5C2, or you can say there would be 10 matches. If you are not comfortable with permutation combination, you can also say every team is going to play with other four teams. So 5 into 4 is 20. But every match is counted twice in that. A is playing with B is playing with A. Those are only just one match, not two matches. So I divided by 2, that gives me 10. So the total number of matches is equal to 10, which automatically means that there are 10 wins because he has clearly written that there is no match that ended in a draw. So ultimately there are 10 wins. A team cannot have more than 4 wins because maximum 4 matches are being played by a team. So if exactly 3 teams have won the same number of matches, what can be those number of matches? Let's start talking about it. Can they be 4, 4, 4? Of course not. 4 plus 4 plus 4 would be 12. We don't have 12 wins. Can they be 3, 3, 3? Yes, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. After that, there is one more win needed. So 1 and 0 can make the remaining 2 matches. So it can be 3, 3, 3, 1, 0. Is there any other possibility with 3, 3, 3, 1, 0? Of course not. What if I take the three same numbers as 2, 2, 2? If they are 2, 2, 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. The remaining 2 should add up to 4. What can they be? They can be 4 and 0. Of course, they can be 3 and 1 as well. They can't be 2, 2 now because exactly 3 are same. So I can't take another 2 here. What if 3 teams win 1 match each? The remaining 2 teams are going to win 7 matches. So 7 matches means 4 and 3 is the only possibility. So therefore only 4 cases are there. First case I'm writing it here. A team won 4 matches, another team won 3 matches, the other 3 won 1 each. Or a team won 4 matches, the other 3 team won 2 matches each and one team won 0. A team won 3 matches, other 3 won 2 matches each and one team won 1. Or the last case is 3 teams won 3 matches each. 1 won 1, 1 won 0. These are the only 4 cases that can be formed. Now whatever questions are there, of course they are going to be on this table. Let's move on to the question straight away. It says if no team lost all its matches, then what is the minimum number of points a team must score so that it could be among the top 3 teams in the series? If no team lost all the matches, what does that mean? That means there is no team with 0 wins. First case is ruled out. Third case is ruled out. We are left with case 2 and case 4 only in such a case. And in case 2 and case 4, what is happening? In case 2 and case 4 is saying what is the minimum number of points a team must score so that it could be among top 3. In case 2, among the top 3, these 3 teams would go. In case of case 4, among the top 3, these 3 would go. So this is the team with just one win can reach the top 3. It could be in the top 3 with just one win means 3 points. So the answer is 3. 3 is the minimum number of points with which a team could win the next stage. So my answer for the first question is option A, that is 3. Let's talk about question number 7 now. If the team which stood first in the series has a total of 9 points, 9 points means 3 wins, then the team with the lowest point could have how many points? Okay. So if the highest team with the maximum score, it has got only 3 wins. So therefore case 3 and case 4 ruled out. So these two cases are there. So team with the lowest points can be with 0 wins or 1 win. So it can have 0 points. It might have won 3 points as well. So my answer for this question is 0 or 3. Here it says it is further known that MI lost one match and was not the table topper. UP Warriors lost more matches than GG. DC lost to RCB, then UP won against which team? So here, once again, if I look at this, MI lost a match. Lost a match means they won 3 and was not the table topper in the points tally. So therefore, case 3 and case 4 are ruled out. So there would be table topper in case 1 and case 2. There would not be the I'm sorry, I think I said it opposite. Case 1 and case 2 are ruled out because the team that has won 3 matches, it should not be table topper. They lost only one match. That means they won 3 matches and they are not the table topper. So case 1 and 2 are gone. Case 3 is also gone because no team won 3 matches. So ultimately it's talking about case 4, where a team won 4 matches, a team won 3, a team won 1 and 1, and this team is MI. Also, UP women lost more matches than GG. That means GG won more matches than UPW. So UPW would be one of these 3 and GG would be this. So these 3 teams are UP Warriors, RCB and Delhi Capital. So these are the 3 teams which are there among these 3. Now if DC lost to RCB, now all these 3 teams have won a match each. So DC lost to RCB. So can I say RCB must have lost to someone out of the 3 and UP women must have lost to someone out of the 3? The only possibility is DC must have won against them and UP Warriors must have won against them. So the question is UP Warriors won against whom? The answer is RCB. Now there is an important point. You might be saying that why didn't you write GG or MI over here? If 3 teams have won one match each, that's only possible when they have played against each other only, because ultimately they are going to play against each other 3 matches. There are 3 matches between 3 teams, right? And all the 3 teams have 1 win each. So that win can come for only those 3 matches. Otherwise, who would have taken that win? That's not possible. So therefore, they played against each other. RCB won against DC. Automatically, RC must have lost the other. DC must have won the other. So DC won against UP Warriors and UP Warriors won against RCB. That gives me the answer as RCB for this question number 8. Here is question number 9. He has given you the same information once again and is asking you how many teams number of wins can be correctly identified. As we just saw in the previous question, case 4 is the case which will be formed here. In this case, we exactly get to know which team has won how many matches. So for all 5 of them, we can correctly identify who has won how many matches. The answer is option D, that is equal to 5. And question number 10 says, once again the same information, that means once again the last case. Which of the following statements will help correctly identify the result of every match played in the series? Now what would have happened in this case? GG won 4 matches, MI won 3 matches. The other 3 teams, they won 1 match each. The only possibility is GG won against all of them because they have won all their 4 matches. So they won against MI, they won against RCB, DC and UP Warriors. MI has won 3 of its 4 matches. Of course, the one they lost, it was already against GG. So they must have won against RCB. They must have won against UP Warriors. And they must have won against DC as well. So the remaining 3 matches, right? They are among DC, UPW and RCB only. From those 3 matches, every team has won a match. So if you get the result of any one of those 3 matches, you will get to know the result of the other 2. So it says MI lost to GG. We already know that. GG won against RCB. We already know that. DC lost to MI. We already know that. But if he says UPW lost to DC, DC won against UP Warriors, that automatically means UP Warriors, they won the other match which is against RCB, which automatically means RCB won their other match which is against DC, and I get to know about the results of all 10 matches. So therefore my answer for this question is option C, that UP Warriors lost to DC. That is the right answer for question number 10.